Good morning, ma'am. My name is Samadhan Bempre, and today is my topic from non-technical, and in that my subject is the importance of failure. So, you know that failure is a vital aspect of growth, learning, and success. Here, a detailed explanation we discuss about the importance of failures. So, first of all, we discuss about the benefits of failure. Learning and growth, failure provides valuable lessons and insight helping individuals develop new skill and knowledge. Second one is that resilience and adaptability. Overcoming failure fosters resilience, adaptability and determination. Third one is that innovations and creativity. Failure encourages experimentation, what we say, innovations and a creative problem solving. Fourth one is that risk taking and confidence. Embracing failures, what we say, promote risk taking, build confidence, and develops a growth mindset. Fifth one is that humility and self, what we say, awareness. Failure help individuals recognize their limitations, develop humility, and gain self awareness. Next, sixth point is that motivation and perseverance. Overcoming failure motivates individual to preserve and strive for improvement. Next one is that seven, character development. Failure shapes character, teaching important life skill like responsibility, accountability, and emotional intelligence. Then, consequence of fear of failure. First, miss opportunities. Fear of failure leads to miss opportunities, stifling innovation and growth. Second one is that risk aversion. Avoiding failure can result in overly cautious decision making, hindering progress. Third one is that stunt growth. Fear of failure prevents individual from challenging themselves, limiting personal and professional growth. Fourth one is that anxiety and stress. Constant fear of failure can lead to anxiety, stress, and burnout. Lack of resilience, avoiding failure, and make individuals more vulnerable to setbacks and less resilient in the face of challenges. Then, embracing failure, reframe failure, view failure as a learning experience rather than a negative outcome. Encourage experiment, foster a culture of experimentation where failure is seen as a natural part of the learning process. Third, develop a growth mindset, cultivate a growth mindset focusing on progress learning and self improvement is very important point. Fourth one is that build resilience, develop coping. Coping is an important point. Strategies and resilience to bounce back from setbacks, celebrate progress, acknowledge and celebrate progress rather than just focusing on success. So there are many real world examples. Thomas Edison famous quote, I have not failed, I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Exemplifies the importance of failure in innovation. Next, our famous J.K. Rowling rejection letters and early failures ultimately led to the success of the Harry Potter series. You know that Harry Potter. Then next, Walt Disney. Disney numerous failure including bankruptcy didn't deter him from creating below animated classics. Next, our Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs is a very important person in our developing life and IT industry. Jobs' failure, including his ousting from Apple, helped shape his innovative approach and eventual success. So the conclusion: failure is a vital aspect of growth, learning, and success. By embracing failure, individuals can develop resilience, creativity, and a growth mindset. Ultimately, and leading to greater achievements and fulfillments. So today's total about we discuss about the importance of failure in life. And thank you, ma'am. Hope so you like my videos. So thank you.